How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers for tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. So this is an example. This is also that one. So as you can see here, we have over 300 followers and it's an AI influencer. I mean, it doesn't exist, and you can use that kind of influencer, I mean, AI influencer, to earn money. So dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have to write the script too. And a lot of influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video I'll show you how to create a one and how to earn money with it. So first step, you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create it because we have here hygiene.com is an AI based tool that can be utilized to generate AI characters, and all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. You can click the one you want, then you can sign up by entering your email and verification code, then you answer for a few questions, and here we have a lot of information if you want to more understand how this website works. And if we scroll down over here, you will find other information about website, and as you can see here, we have a lot of our various avatar or AI avatars, so you can just get more information here. And if you want to sign up, as I said, you can just follow these steps that I mentioned, and then you will get to this home page. Let's come back to the home page. So um, this is the home page. That's my recent creations. And then if you didn't understand how you can create your AI studio, you can just get to hygiene learning guide. And then here we have video avatar, AI voice, video translation. So this is a lot of information that you can get here to more understand how hygiene works. Then if we scroll down, you will find templates. So as you can see here, we have a lot of templates with various topics, so you can choose the one suits you or the one you need on your content. And here we have the avatars, so you can just go over here, and as you can see here, we have a lot of um, AI character, so you can just click over here to click or choose the AI character that you want. So if we scroll down, you will find a lot of AI characters, so you can choose the one you want, and then you will start creating your video, and then you can publish it on your YouTube channel. So here we have, for example, this one. This three dot is if you wanna edit your avatar or if you wanna get avatar ID. And for this one, if you wanna create this video avatar, that what I need or that we need. So you can just click on this one, landscape, because this one that you can need if you want to start on YouTube. So let's click over here, and as you can see, this page will appear. So here we have a lot of options that you can use to edit your video. For example, you can click over here if you want your AI character on left or right or on the middle. Here we have animation if you wanna effect on enter or effect on leave. And if you want to add a script too, you can just click over here and you can delete this one and you will add it, then you will add your script. So you can use GPT script writer to help you to uh, make your script. So you can just talk with this GPT script writer and you will get your script. Then you will add it here, and if you want to add another script, you can just click on this plus icon and then you will create another one, and then the same thing for if you wanted to third script. So here we have if you want to add a post section, if you want to add recording, and if you want to upload audio. So if you wanna a specific voices, you can choose or you can click over here, and as you can see various voices appear. So if you want it in English or another language, here if you want a gender, so female or male, as you can see our AI character is female, so you will find female voices. And here we have age, if you want a child voice, youth voice, middle age voice, older. Here we have the function, if you want to pause, supported, adjustable speed, adjustable pitch. And here we have various type of voices. You can find natural, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games. So you can adjust here your um, voice that you want, and then you will start making your video by editing it, and then you will click on submit and you will have your video. So you can use this video by for example use AI influencer on affiliate marketing through platforms like impact.com offers affiliate flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. By promoting products or services through affiliate partnership, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through their referral links, or you can just create a video guide using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. You can choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction to artificial intelligence to deep dive into a specific AI application or technology. So then you can make your script, you write a script for your video guide, or you can use ChatGPT to help you, including explanation, examples, or and any demonstration you plan to include. Make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.